Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. Today I am back with another amazing and beautiful videos. In this video you will see such a beautiful collection ideas about Christmas centerpieces. All ideas are very beautiful, unique and attractive. Dear viewers, today in my video you see such amazing and unique ideas which is very helpful for your home decoration. So watch the video till the end and don't skip the videos, and most important thing, press bell icon for more updates. Subscribe my channel also. Thank you. Stay blessed, stay happy, have a nice day.